Alright, hello everyone again. So last video we discussed the concept of divisions in a website, and that divisions are a theoretical or like an imaginary model to organize your website, and they also come with a lot of advantages. So let's say you have these three divisions, okay, and they're all related to this division, and instead of giving styles, for example, to each single division here or each single penguin, you want this to be done in a more general way. So to do this, you can define a class name. So class, and then I'm just going to name this container, okay? So this container kind of binds all its elements or all its children to the same thing. So if I want to give styles for these three, I could just say container and then define some styles. And we're going to see this right now. So if I save this right here, and then so right now container is not an attribute, it's not a tag, it's not a div, it's not an h2, so it's going to be treated a bit differently. So we add dot and then the name of the class, so dot container or dot penguins, for example, or something. Okay, let's just keep it container for now. So dot container and then open brackets, and then we can put any styles, and whatever styles we're going to write here are going to take place in all of these, right? So if I'm going to say, for example, color green, and then I go refresh, all the text now looks green. Okay, but I don't want that right now. And I'm just going to leave it like this for now until we actually put some styles. But the concept here that you give a class name, okay, and all its children are going to take whatever styles this class has. Okay, and we can do the same here. So I can say, for example, this is an item. Okay, so this is a class item. So this means whenever I give some styles for an item, it's going to take place in all of these. So you didn't have to put it here and here and here. You just write it once and write the name, write the identifier whenever you want these changes to take place. Okay, and also it's done in order. So for example, if you say here color green and then you say here color blue, it's going to see the latest change. So the latest change, it was first green and then it changed to blue because item came next. I don't know if you get this, but you're going to see it here. Now it became blue. Okay, just because this came second. Another advantage for this is, okay, so let's say we have different H2s over the website or different H1s over the website. This one is so general that it's going to take place on all H1s on the website. But what if we don't want that? What if you want this H1 to be blue and this one to be green? Or like, for example, if this was an H2 right here, okay, and we didn't have this, what would have happened is that they're all red. Okay, so all H2s now are red, but we don't want that. If we get rid of this, as you can see, this is black, which is by default, and only this, I want only this to be blue, so I just defined it for the container, okay? And it can even be more and more specific, so dot container, and then you would say, all H2s in the container, please take the color green, okay? And let's just get rid of this for now. So all H2s inside the container are going to be green. P's are not going to take any change. So if you can see this, P's are black, but all H2s inside the container are now green. Okay, and this didn't take place because it's not included inside the container. However, if we cut this and then put it here, now it's inside the container, so it's taking this change right here. I know it might sound confusing at first, but let it sink in, and it's actually a really nice thing so that you can organize your code and make it much more easier and much more efficient to write code. Instead of duplicating stuff, you can just use a class name and then let all changes take effect at once. Okay, so in the next video we're going to see how to actually organize the website and add styles to our container elements so that they look nicer. Alright, so thanks for watching and see you in the next one.